Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Arlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So this is an 8-minute lash and brow dye. It is by this brand right. Let's see if I focus right here. So let's go ahead and get right into this and see how this works. Now, obviously I'm not going to be doing my lashes today. I'm just going to be doing my brows. Okay, so it comes with this right here, which looks like it's like maybe something that helps guide you, I'm assuming, to where you don't get it on your skin that you can put. It only comes with one. So I'm guessing you can just do each side. Yeah, so it's sticky. So I'm guessing what that's for. So you have developer cream and tinted cream. It doesn't say what this is. Let me go ahead and see what it is. So in this, you're going to have gloves. And then it comes with a spoolie and a little brow brush. So let's go ahead and get to applying all this. So we're going to start off. This is the spoon that you're going to mix everything in right here. So it says you want to get the developer and the tint and put it into the spoon and then mix it up for about 3 minutes. So if you do need a guide, it does come with this that you can kind of place around it to do your brow to where you're not going to get it everywhere. I'm not going to use it because I've used stuff like this before and I'm just good with doing it. So now I'm going to open up this. They're little butterflies. Probably should wear the gloves. You're going to pour this in here as well. And now you're just going to mix all this up. You can't get the consistency wrong because you just pour the packets in. And now I'm just going to start applying it to my brows. It's kind of hard. I wish they didn't put this spoolie on here because it just makes it a little awkward. Like I don't like feeling the spoolie in my hand. You don't got as good as a grip. Okay, now I'm going to get a baby wipe and I'm just going to like wipe up underneath it where I got a little extra. Okay, so I got a little bit down here that I don't want. So I'm just going to clean that up and then I'm going to fix it. I find it easier just to use without the gloves personally. I don't like feeling stuff. I've never gotten this on my hands before, but if you don't want to get it on your hands, definitely use those gloves. You don't want to chance it. So you can see that's what it looks like. And then you're going to want to try to get the other side as even with this side as possible. Okay, and as you can see, I have a 10 left. So you could do your brows and your lashes with just one application if you want to. So I'm going to let this sit on for 8 minutes. I'm going to head and set a timer on my phone and then I'm going to let you guys know. Like I'm going to show you guys what it looks like once it's done. Okay, so I kept it on for 10 minutes. So let's go ahead, take it off, and see what it looks like. I'm going to start off with this side since I did this side first. It is slightly burning. Oh gosh, I got it everywhere. But as long as I take it off pretty quick, it will be fine. So that's what it looks like. And they will lighten, although I wouldn't be mad if it actually stayed like this. This looks really good. Like, really nice. So I'm going to take off this side now. Again, same thing. It looks super good. Ooh, I keep getting, look at this one. So not bad at all. I kind of want to get this part a little better. So I'm going to add some more and I'm going to leave it on for a little bit longer because I don't think I put enough right there. But that is so much better. And that's the awesome thing. You can always just go back, put a little bit more, just for a few more minutes. If you feel like you need to touch up anywhere, which for me, it's just this little tiny wing. But keep in mind, I did this eyebrow first, so this one's, that's why it's like so even and everything. And it took me a little bit longer to do this side, so I should have probably just left it on a little bit longer. And it would have been perfect. So I'm just gonna go over here and just leave it on for a few more minutes. Okay, so I let it sit on there a little bit longer. Let's go ahead and take it off and see if it helped any. Ooh, yeah, so that's so much better. And that's all there is to it. So you can see the before and the after, major difference. Like I said, this will lighten if you don't want your brows this dark. I don't mind my brows being this dark. I do kind of wish I would have went a little thinner right there, which is fine. Because it will fade, but definitely worked. I give this a 5 out of 5. I will definitely be using this again. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.